Hey guys, so you got the We Are Robots mask. This is just gonna show you how to put it together and unbox it. So yeah, we've got a cool template, cool extra with accessories, some sunglasses and black eyes if you like. I'll show you where those goes towards the end. Just take the product out. Open it flat. So yeah, you have option of two material filters, black and white. So you've got the mask, the main part, the headset, the filters and the accessory sheet. So to put it together, it's quite simple. Fold it color, just have it color open. Then there's directions on the top here. So you just, on all the tabs that say down, you just press them inwards, downwards. Okay, now that you've done that, you're ready to put the mask together. You just, it's labeled, each clip is labeled A, B, C, D. So you clip the A into space slot A, just slightly at an angle, side by side, get that in together. Then you can form sort of a roundish shape that would just fit your head. Then at the top here, you find B and C. So fold down for clip the slot B, take B into to B. Until it clips nicely. C will go into C. And then D's right on the top here. Just make sure that the slot is open so that when you push D in, it goes smoothly. Now you should have like a cross shape on the head. So you're going to start clipping the panels that close the mask now on the top. It says clip in tab. Fold it down slightly and then clip it into the slot formed here with your fingers on the inside to support it. Fold clip and slot down and into the slot again with your hand underneath to support it. Fold down again, clip it into the slot, press underneath with your hand, clip it again, fold it down and clip into the slot on the top like that. Now you're starting to form the round part of the top of the head. On the forehead here, there's a big tab here, you're going to fold it down, clip it into the top forehead by the forehead here. It's a nice clip, so supported nicely. And again, there's this clip here, similarly to the other sides. So I clip it in there. Again on the forehead, fold the big tab down, in and down. And then the last one into the little slot here to finish the top of the head. Now the top of the head should look like that, nice and round and firm. You can press everything down, make sure it's nice. Look on the inside, make sure all the tabs are down and neat. Now the tricky part is to do the front of the jawline of your mask. So you're gonna there's slight creases here. So you're first gonna crease it inwards, and then crease it again along the nose part. And then on these flaps on the side here, just follow the instruction down and down on E, and then down again here, and down on F. When there's double-sided tape on the front, remove the backing piece on both sides, and one by one take it and then fold it inwards, and then match the triangular piece to the double-sided tape. So you're going to push the back corner in so that it meets the edge, and then slightly follow the crease line and double-sided tape down. And again on the other side, you're going to follow the crease line on the inside with the cut-out triangular piece, and then stick it down. So now you should have your jawline like that. Then you're going to choose the filter. So I've got a black filter here. Just pop the black filter in over the slots, and then fold over the piece to hold it in place. There we go. Now you're going to start with the headset, which is this piece here. So now this piece has got various head sizing, head marking on it. You would have to cut the pieces out as illustrated here. So I suggest cutting them out one by one, so that you don't cut too many out and then realize that it's too big for your head. So you can fold this piece inwards. Yeah, that's going to touch your forehead, and then you check it if it fits. So obviously this is the smaller size, so it wouldn't fit. You just take a knife and then cut the pieces out. Okay, still a little bit tight. So just simply tearing it along the tabs here. If you use a knife, it's a little bit more neat, but either goes. Just take it, tear from the tabs, tear another one out, check it. Okay, so this fits pretty much snug on my head. Now I'm going to insert it. So again, you fold the tabs down, the two on the side, and there's one on the front here. Fold it down, it says fold down. Then you're going to see there's double-sided tape on the inside of your mask. Remove the double-sided tape, remove the backing, two on both sides, and then one in the front on the forehead. You're going to take your headset and place it inside the mask with the forehead in the front, and then stick it. Stick the front tab onto the double-sided tab in the front. So it's just above the eyes. You don't want this headset to interfere with the eye holes. So you stick it just above there onto the double-sided tape. So the flap will be facing inwards, and then you just stick it down onto the double-sided tape. At the back, you're going to take the clip-in slot. You're going to place it downwards until it locates into the slot that's cut out there, and then you're going to just take your fingers and glue and stick the tab flapping inwards again on the inside of your thing. So again, just flap it down and then make sure it sticks to the double-sided tape on the inside like that. So you should have something like that. So that thread will go down. That's it. Now I'm going to test if it fits well. Okay, so it fits lekker. Pretty happy. Since I chose the black filter here, I think this would look quite nice with some black sunglasses. So you just take the pieces out here. There's some double-sided tape on the back of that. Just take it off, peel it off. And line it up with the existing eyes. So now I've got a pretty funky customized mask, and that's it, I guess. Pretty cool, pretty nifty. And then if if your head doesn't fit as well as mine, if you're worried about the mask being too loose, or if your nose is touching the front, you can always use these spaces. It says stick to the forehead. So you're going to take this and stick it on the forehead flap here. So that creates that will make the mask slightly smaller. If you stick 1, 2, or 3 down, it's definitely going to make the mask tighter. So if it's a little bit loose on the back, and then if it's for a child and your eyes are not exactly lining up with the mask, and it's maybe dropping, and it maybe is dropping too low, take the spaces once again and stick them on the inside of the mask at the top of on the roof of it, and that as you stick more down, it will obviously it will raise the mask on your head, and your eyes will line up to see perfectly through the eye holes. And that's it, guys. Thanks, and enjoy the product, and yeah, like it. Cheers.